Hello and welcome to IzzyBee Crafts. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY gnome wreath. You will need some pom-poms or this pom-pom gnome kit, some bead embellishments, some chunky yarn, some colorful yarn. You will also need a hot glue gun and scissors. Let's get started. So I'm starting by taking the felt triangles and gluing the corners, and then taking hot glue and putting it along the edge of the hat. And I'm taking a dab of hot glue on the small pink pom-pom and putting it on a spot on the big white pom-poms. So this part is optional, you can just leave it with the hat, but I'm making some braids out of the chunkier yarn and then tying the smoother yarn around it. Then I am taking a white embellishment and putting a dab of hot glue and putting it on the pink knot. Now I'm just taking a toothpick to fluff out the end of it, then trimming it with scissors. So this video is a collab with my mom, CreArtive by Nature. I want to thank her for doing this collab with me, and I had a lot of fun doing it. There will be a link to her channel and to the video in the description box or in the iCard. So now I'm taking a pearl embellishment with a dab of hot glue on it and gluing it to the middle of the snowflake. And you can do this with a singular pom-pom maker or even with a fork or your fingers. If you want me to make a video on it, let me know down in the comments. And I'm just making a singular pom-pom, or you can even take a plank of wood with 2 nails in it to put in at an angle and make a bunch of pom-poms by wrapping this string around. So this is how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to check out